nagbalik mga auntie, just arrived home. Ako, buhat mo sa ka, hindi ko pulin here mo ito mga auntie. Kasi nagbalik. Kaya, wala siya mga auntie. Tamukan ko na ang mga auntie. Iba na lang. Okay. Abukot diha mga auntie. Kung ano mga auntie, mga ilisan. Kung pihig ka na, buhok mga auntie. Mga auntie siya mga auntie. Mga hair. Hair of Ishat. Ishat is my name. I'm home. Kapoy mga auntie, but laban lang sa life. And just an advice mga auntie, especially to those to men, mga lalaki diha. If you're broken-hearted or you've been hurt from the past, take time to heal. Heal. Go through it, feel the emotion, feel the hurt, feel the pain. Don't just jump from one relationship to another relationship. You jump from one relationship to another relationship because you're only fooling yourself. And if you won't heal, ikaw nag-happy no eh. Wala lang, di gyapon ka happy. You will never find true happiness. So please heal and love yourself. And that's it. Huwag sa ugay sa mga auntie. Huwag sa kuhunan ng mga auntie. Yeah, just heal and go through it. I mean, go right through it. For me, mga auntie, no, if you truly love someone, one thing that you're afraid the most is to hurt them. That's why you don't need to do such thing. Para rin ako, ha? And some people's tears are very dangerous. So, be careful. Kinsa ito yung ipahilak, mga anak, tapos pagbantay lang dyan mo kay, no? You're messing with the chosen one. So, dili sila mo bows ninyo, but God will be the one to do it. I don't know if you believe in such a thing, but I do believe it. Huwag mo na mga auntie. Bye!